Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. So today we're going to be doing a full unboxing of my PLouise subscription box. This box is the May 2024 box that we're going to open up and we're going to see what's inside. Now, if you've never seen the PLouise budget box, this is a monthly subscription and it's all from the PLouise cosmetic company. And she creates a lot of different products. It used to be that it was just makeup. She primarily did like eyeshadows, and she also had a lot of like lip products and like lip treatments and things like that. But I feel like this year she's really expanded and now we're getting a lot of different beauty products. So she has skincare products now, and I mean just all sorts of makeup and beauty items now. So she's really grown. And then each month when we get these boxes, they will have a variety of products inside. But as you can tell, the packaging is always over the top. I mean, it's super pretty, but very girly. And I do enjoy this subscription a lot, but I have felt like the last few months have been a lot of skincare. So I would really like to get more makeup. It's just been very skincare heavy recently. So it's not a bad thing. It's just, I kind of hope we get some more makeup in this box. I do love ripping that off though. So inside of my May box, it will look like this. There's a lot in here. And those are palettes. It even says palette right there on the sticker. So this looks promising. If you guys are interested in purchasing this subscription box, I will be posting a link down below for you. Keep in mind that this box that I'm going to show you has already sold out. So you will receive the box in whatever month you are ordering this in. So if you're in the month of June, you'll receive the June box. If you order in July, you'll receive the July box. Just keep in mind that it does take a few weeks for this box to ship. So first item that I have in here, I actually thought this was just like a card explaining it, but there's a full-size product attached to the card. So this is our first item. This one is called Protect Your Pout. We have the blue raspberry scented one. It says, introducing our PLouise Protect Your Pout Lip Conditioner. This will help to protect and hydrate dry and damaged lips with each application so that you can protect your pout in the PLouise style. Now it looks like, based off of this photo, they've created a lot of different scents on here. But like I said, the one that I have is their blue raspberry scent. So inside it says that this one has 60 flavors. Wow. So lots of options to choose from, but like I said, this is our very first one. I'm going to take this off and smell it real quick. Oh my goodness. It's definitely blue raspberry. It smells like those ices that you get at the movie theaters, the blue raspberry ices. It smells exactly like that. Oh, it's so sweet, like sugary sweet. But it does smell like blue raspberry. Next item we're gonna look at is this palette, because like I said, I've been looking for more makeup lately. I wanna see what this one's all about. So this is called Babe, We're Bringing the Smoke. Can You Handle the Heat? So this is the smoke palette. Looks like there are gonna be 6 pans back here, and this is a palette for eye and face. This is cruelty-free again. Everything in this box will be cruelty-free. Her entire brand is. So this is what it looks like. And then inside there is a mirror. And then down below will be our smoke shadows. So this one, I gotta tell you guys, not to be like overly critical, but this doesn't look like smoke to me. When I think of smoke, I'm thinking grayscale. So I'm thinking like black and grays and whites, something along those lines, like maybe a charcoal color, gunmetals, something along that line of thought. This being a brown, warm neutral, it's very pretty, but I think this is named incorrectly. Like, I don't mean to be that person that's complaining over the name, but literally, I don't think this is considered a smoke palette. But this is the palette itself, and like she said, it is eye and face, so you could use these as highlighters if you wanted to. But I do think this will create a lot of great neutral looks, day-to-day looks. This is great if you need something in a hurry. You could even take it traveling. I think you could come up with some pretty looks because there's a lot of depth and brightness in here, so you could create a really cool eye look. But But hey, I am still glad that we got makeup at least in this box, because like I said, I've been missing it, so I'm glad it's in here. Next item that I have is the Drive Me Balmy collection. The scent is Melodramatic and Get Gooey. I bet these are going to be marshmallow scented. So this features 2 moisturizing lip balms inside of these packages. So she has these on the website and makes a ton of different scents. So if this is not your favorite scent, believe me, there are other ones out there. It always looks like it's in this potion bottle, and then your scent will always be down below on here. This is what it will look like inside. And I guarantee you these are going to be marshmallow scents. So Get Gooey is the first lip balm that we have here. It's good until 2027. That's the expiration date listed on here, so plenty of time to use it. Oh my gosh, it is. It smells like a marshmallow, you guys. Like the marshmallow fluff. You know that jar you can open up of marshmallow fluff? And if you smelled it, it smells like that. It's very vanilla, but also very sugary sweet. It's really good though, you guys. So like I said, full-size lip balm here. So that lip balm is more of that gloss formula that will go down, and it's still very hydrating. This next one in the kit is the stick formula, and it is more of that balm consistency. So it just depends on what you prefer, what you would like. You can also layer them together. This is super cute because it comes out in a heart shape, which I love. But this one is in the scent of Melodramatic. Oh, it is good, you guys. It's not as strong as the other one. This one's a little bit more subdued. It does smell like a sweet vanilla though. So now we'll stay hydrated this summer at least. So you can apply the lip balm on first, and then like I said, do that glossy glaze right over top. Then you've got hydrated lips and you're gonna smell like a marshmallow. Next up, we have a liquid blush inside of our box. This is a full-size product, and the shade that we have is Marmalade Melt. So these also come in a ton of different shades. So again, if you're not into this liquid blush, you want to buy some. She has a lot on her website. So they are good amounts. I will tell you guys, it does not take much to use these. Like a little goes a long ways. And what I think is interesting about these bottles is there's so much product in here that I kid you not, I don't think I will ever be able to get through these before they expire, because you don't need a lot and there's so much product here. Now, PLouise was originally creating products for MUAs to build their kit, and that way they would have this for a commercial setting. I do think in that instance, you would probably be able to use all of this product, especially if you were doing like weddings regularly, you might be able to get through these blushes. But for just me, it's a lot of product. The next one that I have in here is a little baggie. Oh my gosh, it says Cheek Treats. They're makeup sponges. Ah, I love this little bag. How cute. So it's just Velcro, and we open this up. Oh, they're hearts. You get all of these adorable little sponges. Oh my gosh, you guys. So this is what it looks like. You'll have a strap here on one side, and then on the other side will be your blending sponge. They're all slightly different sizes as well, but they're very puffy like a sponge should be. This one is more of like a powder sponge, so it's a little bit more of like a velvet texture. It's very fuzzy. Then we've also got some smaller ones in here that are great for blending, but again, we have different textures. So this will be designed more for like your creams or your liquids. This one's more for like your powders. But again, you've got the heart shape and you've got the little PLouise logo on the back. Oh my gosh, look at this one. Ah, perfect for that eye area. So you could actually just slip this on and go in here and touch up. One nice thing about the point on the one end is you could get really close in that under eye area. I love this. This is super cute. Also, I've been getting this subscription for over a year. We've never had this in a box before. I've never had any sort of sponges before. And the last item inside of our box today says love letters that sealed the deal to the one that I'll keep forever. We're bound together whenever and wherever. So the Soulmate Mail. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's in a sealed box. And then this is what it looks like on the other side. But I'm not really sure what this is yet. So I'm gonna open it up, but I don't know what it is that we have inside of this. So you actually open this like an envelope. I love that. And then inside, oh my gosh, I think we have palettes. This is like a whole kit in here. You guys, and I'm pretty sure I see brushes or liners or something. Okay, this might be really, really, really good, you guys. So I've got these two. I'm gonna set that aside, but then down below, I have two brushes in here. Classic pink and gold combo. Looks like they're facial brushes. I would say it's like a angled highlighter brush and like a powder brush. So those two are in there. And then I have little palettes. Oh, this made it so much better. I didn't know what we were gonna get, but it felt too lightweight to be palettes. So I kind of was like, oh, it's not gonna be palettes in here, but it is. So my first one is called 3 Strikes You're Out. Note to self, never settle. So this is a cream bronzer palette. This is what it will look like here. It's definitely a small compact you could take it with. It actually reminds me of like a business card holder, you know what I mean? Like you'd put your cards in. So there is a mirror up here at the top, and then we have 3 cream bronzers, all different shades. I love the big pans though. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. The other palette that we have in here is called Third Time Lucky. This is the cream blush palette. So you get a blush and bronzer duo, which would explain the brushes that we have in here as well, especially that angled one. You could use that for your bronzer and then use the really fluffy one for your blush. So this is in the same gold packaging with a mirror, and then you've got 3 cream blushes down below. Oh my gosh. Okay, so my camera is trying to make these all one color. They are different shades. They're similar, but they really are different. You can tell that this one's a little bit darker than the other two. So you can tell there was a little bit of sweating on the one cream blush, which can happen when it gets really warm out. So in transit somewhere, it got really hot and it did do a little bit of sweating. But this is really, really pretty. I am so excited with this. I think this last kit is probably my favorite, only because I really didn't expect this much to be in that box. And I didn't think there was palettes at all in there. I was like, no, it feels too light. This may be face masks. So like I had like, I don't know, you guys. I did not expect it to be that good. I downplayed it in my mind. And then to see that it was that good, it just made it that much better. So that is everything inside of my PLouise box for May. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. This is what I grew to love last year with PLouise. This is the boxes that I was receiving, and I'm so glad to get one back again. Because like I said, the last few have had so many skincare, so many body care products that I like getting back to some beauty and makeup products in here. So we've got bronzers, we have blush in here, there's eyeshadow. I love that we have sponges, we have brushes in here. We've got blush that is a liquid blush as well. And we've also got the lip balm set. I feel like there's a lot in this box. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!